Let's configure impersonation for a specific group of Microsoft Exchange accounts and activate revenue inbox for them. First thing, on the Exchange control panel, go to Groups, create a distribution group, name it, add an alias to it, then let's add members to the group, those accounts who will be signing into revenue inbox sidebar. And save the group. Then from the Exchange server, you have to run a couple of commands to create a new management scope. Find the commands in the description of the video. Then go back to the Exchange control panel. Go to Permissions, create new role group, name it, and in the right scope, choose the scope which you have created through the command line. Note that if you leave this field blank, impersonation will be applied to all users in your organization. Add application impersonation role, and in members, pick an impersonation service account. And save it. Next, log into Revenue Inbox Admin panel. Go to Organizations, create a new one, choose Microsoft Exchange Impersonation in the Mailbox Access Type dropdown. In the account logon, type the email address of the impersonation service account. Click the magic wand icon to generate Exchange Web Service URL and save the changes. Now your new organization is ready. Let's add users who will be using Revenue Inbox sidebar. Click New User, in the Plan drop-down, choose a plan you have subscribed to. And similarly for all users. You're all set. Now Linda is able to log in into the sidebar. For the first time, she will be prompted to enter her Salesforce credentials. She can see that synchronization status is up and running in sync settings.